here, just about to start the green tramway track to 60-foot falls. You can hear the freight train in the distance. We did come up to Mittagong to do the maltings, but they are completely closed off. No entry, security cameras, security patrols. So we shan't be doing that. But we have decided, considering we're up here, of doing the 4-kilometre circuit via Coke Tunnel and Leopold Street. Allow 2 hours. Huge contingent. We've got Paul, Doc's friend, Doc and his 2 kids, Jess and Jack, Mav, his daughters, 2 of their friends, Julie, her sons, and 1 of their friends. We have checked on the radar and it says that rains are coming. So this could be a nice wet old return trip. You ready to go? Let's rock and roll before that rain comes in. That place up there just takes you to the lookout, doesn't it? Yeah, yeah. Just says fire trail. I'm pretty sure Katoomba Lookout's up there, but we're going to go this way. We're going up here. Up here, this takes, from what I remember, takes you to 60-foot falls. So I could be wrong, but we're going to go through the... Yeah, well, the Coke Tunnel. We're going to go through the Coke Tunnel, so might as well go through.
Who was that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go, boys and girls. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 people.
Ignore.
Who's coming? Jack?
Jack's coming.
All right.
A pork chop.
Come on, pork chop.
Or dim sim.
Let's go. What are you banging the door for? Come on, stand, come in the back with me. Come on. We'll lead the rear. What are you upset about? Come on, let's go. Alright, off we go. 4 years ago when I did this walk, I don't think I had a torch. What was that?
The Coke down here, that must have been, this would have been like a tramway or something.
I'd say so, yeah. Is this what they classify as the Coke oven tunnel? And today I bought a torch, so it should light up this tunnel. I wonder if the others stopped here. Well, that's not too far from the car park. I was expecting that to be a lot further up. I don't have a good feeling about this rain. Can you feel that wind?
Yeah, you know it.
She's coming. Hi. Come on. Let's go. I think I've got a few pictures of me back from 4 years ago in that underneath that rock ledge up there.
That's pretty cool.
Very cool. Who's that last guy down there? Is that Paul?
Yeah.
Or is that Mav?
Cool.
Paul. The weather can turn pretty nasty up here. It's hoping to catch you falling on camera here, Doc. Now, Jack, you go in front just in case something happens. Okay. You sure? Okay, my friend. I'm highly impressed, Doctor, that you are doing this in thongs.
Oh, thanks.
Because that was not an easy, straight journey down.
No, I did in thongs.
You've got it in thongs too? Oh, no. And I've had a thong blowout. I'm going to have to do it without thongs. Oh.
You put it back in.
I will, but I'll wait till I get down to the bottom. The others have just left us. Maybe because they're all got shoes on.
With shoes on.
Some sort of shoes. At least it flattens out down here. The $64 million question is going to be whether the rain holds off or whether we are going to be saturated. I nearly caught that on camera. Alright. We've got a pole down here. Let's see what it says. Is it going to give us some sort of information, or is it just a marker? It's just a marker. I hope they're going the right way. I hope they haven't turned left up here. It's because it's not left.
Has Jules been there?
No, Jules has never been here. What's wrong?
You know which way to go.
Yeah. I just hope they haven't gone straight. Falls View Fire Trail.
I don't know how you can before. I don't know if it's open.
I don't think... No, we seen there was the boom gates up in the car park. They were all closed, Jack. So it doesn't say 40-foot falls, it just says Falls View Fire Trail. But no sign of the others.
No through trail.
For which one?
This one.
Yeah, that's the one we want then, if that's the case, because we have to follow the creek down to the waterfall. Oh. Mav's UHF is out of batteries. Can you believe that? The man comes on a bushwalk and fails to check his UHF. Luckily we still have phone reception. 60-foot fire trail. What do you reckon, Jack? Straight down here?
Yeah, mate, 18.
What does it say? MA18.
Yeah.
Mature adults only.
See them.
Can you see him? Someone's calling me.
Huh?
Someone's calling me. Yeah, hello. Yep, that's the one. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, I can see the girls. So, yep, we're just behind you. Okay, see ya. Bye. Cross the creek. And this is where it gets a bit tricky. You don't follow the trail up, you turn left and follow the creek down. This is where people can get lost. I gather that's where they all cross, because most of them have got, or all of them have got shoes on. I think we'll cross in the creek. You crossing in the creek, chaps? You're crossing in the creek? Yeah, well, I'm wondering where they cross, because they're all got shoes on.
They probably crossed on this wall.
Make sure before you cross, before you put one foot in front of the other, Jack, you've got solid footing underneath your thongs, yeah? Water's cold? I like your stick, Jack. That's what the old timers do. Oh, Doc's uneasy on his feet. I'm waiting for a collapse. You're struggling, man. Come on, you're nearly there. You're nearly there.
Come on, go.
Grab the stick.
Thanks, mate.
Well done. Well done.
That was refreshing.
Refreshing? So they started to head up this hill here. This is where they went, so they must have headed up there and came to a dead end.
No, did they? They
Yeah.
go up there.
No, you've got to follow the creek down. This creek leads you to the...
So why couldn't we just walk in the creek?
we could do that. I think we do eventually. We start... The creek joins up down here and We'll start walking in.
Well, how would I-
Alright, we've reached 40-foot falls and it's flowing.
Wait, where's 60 foot?
60 foot is back on that thing, on that trail. Did you throw it down there?
Huh?
They're looking, they're going to get that stick that you threw down there. Alright Jack, head around here, but stay on this side of me just in case. Stay on that side of me.
Like,
Yeah, this is 60 foot falls, sorry. 40 foot falls is the other one, yeah.
so this is the big one.
This is the big one, yeah.
I'm legit.
You're legit?
I'm on a cliff.
Coming up this way.
I'm nearly on a cliff.
Give us your hand. Yeah, we'll get back. Come on, Ty, come over. Give us your hand. Give us your hand.
Leave them, Jeff.
Go up through there. Come up through here, Ty, and we'll go down.
Wait, up here.
Yeah, up through here.
Do I need my shoes on?
Yeah, don't need shoes. Yeah, follow my footsteps, okay? You coming? That's it, straight down here. Now be careful here, yeah? This is where it starts getting slippery. Okay? Nearly there.
I'm good.
You good? Okay, straight down here. Once you're down, it's easy.
I'm a good man for climber.
You alright, Ty? Come around this way, Ty. You're going to have to walk down here. Alright, come down. And jump down that little bit there. How long did it take you boys to ride down?
We come from near the highway, like up the...
Oh yeah, up the creek.
You know where you turn left? Up
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
I mean, right, yeah. We follow that way, and it comes down beside the highway.
Oh, it comes. Oh, okay. Is there a riding trail, or you just push your bikes up?
There's like a little train.
Oh, there is a little
Through
trail.
there, but once you get to the highway, which is just there, it'll be a trail.
Go sit down.
Oh, okay.
Ari, sit down.
Sit down. What's his name?
Ari.
Ari, sit down. Sit down, Ari. Does he go in for a swim or not?
No.
No, he doesn't.
Can I go in?
No.
My dad said I could.
Just be careful, Jack. It might be slippery here. Look at the mountain women and men. Head that way towards your right, bud.
Can I go in?
No. Who threw that?
Bloody hell! Who the heck threw that?
Hurry. there, Jules. I'll take some pictures of you. I got my new best friend. And this would be 60-foot falls. Throw it over. Throw it down. Throw it down the creek there.
Let it roll down.
No, it won't go down. Just throw it that way and you'll be able to pick it up. Just throw it as far as you can. Go for a swim. Go for a swim, boys. Oh, it's too cold for me. I can't swim either. Go. Jump. You'll be able to watch yourselves on YouTube. Can you swim or not? Oh, as long as you can swim. I don't want to drown you. Huh? Swim over to the waterfall. Well done. Well done. Jules, get a picture. Hang on, stay there, Jules, to get a picture. Is it cold? Do it, son. Oh, he's going to go backstroke. Yeah, I know it is. Well done. When you guys grow up to be young men, you'll be able to watch this back and say you swam under 60-foot falls. Be careful, Doc. Nah, I don't know. Hey, Doc, do you want him to have a swim or not? The other two are having a swim. I don't know. It's better if your dad's down here. I can't come in and save you if something goes wrong. You going for a swim or not? You're going to be wet and cold, you know that. I would leave it, Jack, just in case. Starting to rain a little bit. Why can't you drink it?
It's been there.
No, it wouldn't have got water in it.
Wouldn't got water in it.
No, I can see it. It has. Can you hold it?
Eyes in front of you. Oh, your phone's going off. Jess, just be careful. The others have gone. I think we better make a move before these storms start rocking on him. Managed to get back up here on the fire trail and now starting a really steep descent, really steep walk back up. This is the descent we actually came down, and this will lead us to the Coke Tunnel. And once we reach that Coke Tunnel, we're about 2 or 3, 5 minutes away from the car park. As I said before, we had the intention of coming down and showing the kids the Mittagong malting / the Tooths brewery. Would you believe, if anyone's coming down to thinking about doing that, it's changed. There's a fence all the way around, signs saying keep out, under construction. Most of the buildings are gated off. You've got an alarm system, CCTV, Wollongong security now patrols it. Never thought they'd go to so much trouble considering it's been abandoned for so long. So whether or not they're cleaning it to open it up to the public, to make it safe where you can't go into the buildings but you can walk around, I've got no idea. These guys are having a bit of a break. What do you bug it?
Okay.
You bug it? Alright, let's go. Let's do it.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Do it, Doc. Do it, Doc. I noticed that the others are just at the top there. Oh, is that Jules and Ty? I thought it was Mav. It looks like Mav's hanging back. That's one steep incline.
I think it's half an hour there and an hour and a half back.
Yeah, I think it's the longer time is backwards because it's so steep. Go, Jack. Do it, son. You okay, Doc? Go. This is a killer walk. If anyone's thinking about doing 60-foot falls, going down is easy, coming up is the hard bit. And we've reached the Coke Tunnel. You can see it? Well done, Jess. You've killed everyone today. You're a very fit girl. You sweaty? Who's holding your drink bottle? Has your dad got your drink bottle? Alright, we'll wait for him up here at the mouth of the tunnel.
Take a rest for Jeff, so you can do the bullet.
Yeah, we'll have a break for you. Wait for everyone.
Whoa.
Careful. It's a long drop down.
Yeah. Very long.
There's not a track going down that way, sure. Wow.
They get too far, I won't be able to see you. Like, I can't see you.
Do you want me to light them up, Jules? Hang on, I'll see if I can light you up. One sec. We've had a nice little pit stop up here at the Coke oven. We're just about to head on out into the car park. I'm surprised I haven't got a call from Mavericks yet saying, where are you guys?
I reckon he can pay all his stuff. No, he'll be up there. Big Paul, he'll be put together.
That's brilliant. That looks so cool. Alright, one little bit to go, and that's it for the day. Last little leg of this explore today, and everyone's blowing very hard. We're here? We are here. 60-foot falls complete. Very good. Let me look at that bandana, Rambo. Very good. Where's Mav? Is he in the car?
I reckon he had to go toilet time.
Go left.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, they had to go to the toilet, did they?
Probably, that's the only reason I
Oh, okay.
Well, the golf is near the other.
Did we stop anywhere to go to the toilet? I suppose we didn't, did we, before we came up here?
Yeah. Macca's?
No, but we were at the Lake Alexandria, had lunch,
Yeah.
and then we didn't go anywhere to the toilet before coming up here, which made it a bit difficult. Adios. Mavericks has just come back. He's the wild man in that car.
Oh, we just got back from walking.